How to make cake pops. How to make moist cake pops easily using ready-to-bake cake mix. Ingredients: chocolate box cake mix, 2 big spoonful of chocolate frosting, candy melts, your choice of toppings such as chopped nuts, chocolate shavings, sprinkles, or crushed Oreos. Instructions. Step 1: Bake the cake according to the package instructions. Step 2: Let it cool down for about 20 minutes after taking it out of the oven. Step 3: Scoop the cake out and mash it with a fork in a large mixing bowl. Step 4: Add in the frosting in small batches. Remember to use your hands at this point so you can assess the texture properly. You need the cake to still feel a little crumbly yet can hold the shape well. Step 5: Scoop out the cake mixture using the ice cream scoop. Step 6: Roll the mixture into a ball and let it rest on a lined baking sheet. Repeat until you've rolled all the cake mixture into balls. Step 7: Place the candy melts in a deep and narrow cup. Melt in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Stir between intervals to ensure you don't burn the chocolate. Step 8: Dip the tip of the cake pop sticks in melted chocolate and insert them in the middle of each ball. Step 9: Place the cake pops onto the lined baking sheet and freeze for about 30 minutes. Step 10: Reheat the melted chocolate and dip the frozen balls. Let the excess chocolate drip properly. Step 11: Roll into your topping of choice while the chocolate has not yet dried up. Step 12: Chill for at least 30 minutes. Step 13: Serve and enjoy.